Hello, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we actually treated basic operators or operations in Java, the arithmetic operations, the assignment operation, logical operators, relational operator, and ternary operators in the last video. So in this video, we are going to go ahead to talk about a class called scanner, the scanner class. So basically, in Java, the scanner class is actually used for obtaining input from maybe input of the primitive type and also string. I hope you still remember what primitive type is. So using the scanner class is in Java is actually a quick way to accept input from users. Let's just begin. So the scanner class, I'm just going to bring up the scanner class. The scanner class is actually within the Java utility package or package basically. So if you say scanner, just to have a more interactive session. Uh, so when you interact more interactive session, so we say scanner, new scanner, I'm sure we're gonna talk more on this in the future. What classes are, what objects are. But for now, let's just follow. And now this scanner input actually has many implementation. There's readers, patterns. So what we need is just the input stream. So we're going to say system dot in, because we are accepting value, so we're using system from so it will accept the value as an input stream. So now let me say, for example, I'm going to print out okay, say hello, um welcome, so please enter your name, and we can use this kind of to basically accept the value. So let's say the next, you're going to say next line, yeah, and we're going to print out what the value. So let's say, let me just say name string name is going to be what the value the user is going to input. So once you print out that value, you can print a value. So name, so you say your name is down the input value. So the inputted value is that. So let's run this and see what let's see how it behaves. So it says, you can see now I say hello, please enter your name. So I'm just going to do my name is Hassan. Oh, see, wait, this is more interactive. So you see printed out your name is Hassan. So basically this is what this scanner does. So now you've entered your name. Let's now do a bit of, well, let's say an addition, for example. So you say int, you say scanner, or let's just say, okay, enter your name. I'm going to say, okay, let me duplicate this. So let's request another value. Let's say enter um enter first, let's just say enter first value of first number. So first number, then so we're going to use this scanner again. This scanner, what we need, the first number, let's say, because it's going to be integer, let's say number one equals scanner dot next int, because we need an integer value. So basically we can then say, okay, enter the second value. Okay, enter second number. So again, we're going to use the same thing. This kind of dot get int. So now we could perform an operations with this. Basically, let's say now we could do this is let's print out these. Let's say number one or num1 plus num2 num2 equals there, which is which is going to be is just going to be num plus, we know we're already familiar with this, num1 plus num2. So we could go ahead and say, okay, this is number one minus number two is should give us number one minus number two, and so on and so on. Should give us number one. Let me put it in brackets, just number one and then number two. So so if you print out this, let's see, I'll be able to see where will you run enter your name. My name is Hassan. Okay, your name is Hassan. Enter first number. I'll say, okay, let me enter number 8. And second number, enter second number. Let me enter number, what number? 4. So it basically just say, oh, okay, you've imputed this number. The sum of number 1 and number 2 is 12, and when you subtract number 1 from number 2, it's 4. So basically that's what it's gonna impute, and I thought to add it I thought to share with you. It is very useful. I know it's going to be useful for a start when you start when you start your journey in Java. So it's more fun when you do more when you interact with the system. So it's kind of it's very fun. So I think that's it for this video. I'm going to, in the next video, we're going to now talk about the flow, control flows, how to on different conditions basically. And thanks for watching this. Hope to see you in the next video.